Back again with another music video reaction. My name is Josh. Thanks for checking out the channel. And if you click the thumbnail, you probably know more about this artist than I do because this is the first time I'm checking out Raining Sorrow. So you guys told me to check out this artist and you sent me this video specifically is Raindrop and it's live on the Wish USA bus. I don't know what the Wish USA bus is. I know I've seen some other people on Wish. I think it was Morissette, and I've seen her do a couple songs, and she was fantastic. So I don't know what type of music this is, or really anything about the artist, other than you guys said I'd like it, and I'm here to check out all kinds of new stuff. So let's go ahead and give it a listen. Raining Sorrow. Song is Raindrop. Okay, let's do these.
Sunlight breaches through the room in a spectacle like in full bloom, and I wonder why can't I smile?
Wish 1075.
Feels like I can't take no more. The curtains, I have shut them closed, 'cause I don't seem to like that happy life. They all say that they're gonna stay, but I know it's all a lie. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling. Feels like I've been shut inside a box where I can't see the light, and it don't seem that I want to get out. The people who have loved me so are in places that I do not know, and it don't seem that I really wanna shout. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling. Where I cannot console feelings that I do not know. The person that I used to be is lost inside reality, and I wish that I did what I was told. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
Wish exclusive
I'm deep
on Wish
inside me,
1075.
and now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Alright, so that was Raining Sorrow performing Raindrop. So that's crazy for several reasons. One, if that's just like a live recording, it sounds like it's straight up out of the studio because she sounds fantastic. It's such a I mean, the sound, the name of the song, the name of her band or her name, Raining Sorrow, seems pretty appropriate. It's very sorrowful and seeming like soulful singing for seemingly really young. I mean, she looks like she's really young. I can never really tell when it comes to ages, but she seems to be singing well beyond her years just based off of her appearance. But wow, she's singing that's from the soul and kind of sad. But man, it's beautiful singing. And the accompaniment to go with that of more of the orchestra, not just traditional, more like pop music nowadays. That was crazy. I don't think that's a cover because I don't think I've ever heard that one. So is that an original song by her? And let me know more about her. I don't know where she's even from. I mean, I think this was in, it says U.S. Bus, so I'm assuming it was in the U.S. Well, it had Hamilton right there, so I don't know exactly where it was. One of the major cities around here, but I'm not sure if she's from there or somewhere else. Let me know in the comment section. Let me also know other songs I should check out, and if you know more context for this song specifically, because that was really beautiful, kind of sad, and seemed sorrowful. Is that a real word, sorrowful? I think so. Okay, we're going to go with it. So let me know in the comment section. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you would. That'd be fantastic. And as always, you're awesome. Peace out.